Hey guys, so today we will be testing different nerf guns. Okay, so our first nerf gun here is my 20 subscriber play button. What the? Okay, never mind that. It's cardboard. Okay, we're going outside to do this. Here we go. What kind of goofy setup my neighbor's doing over there? I have no idea what that is. Okay, so here we go. So our first gun is this water gun. Wait, what? And my our first actual gun. This gun that holds one bullet. Just load it up here. And here we go. Okay. Here we go. And hold on. Okay, and ooh, how far the heck? That's it. Bud, where's the dart? We're retrying that because I can't find the dart. No, maybe it was because I'm holding the camera. I should put the camera. Seems to be perfectly fine like this. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Let's go look at that. See it? Bigger isn't always better. That small gun shot far. Jeez. Okay. Okay, our next gun is Minecraft crossbow. I have a feeling this one's going to shoot really far. This one can shoot 3 bullets at a time. That's going to be fun, but we're not going to shoot all 3. We're going to shoot all the extra bullets at the end. That didn't go as far as I thought it would. There's the small dart. It isn't that far. Huh. Okay, so our next gun is this one. I've used this one before. It ought to shoot really far. Also, if you'd please subscribe, that would be nice. I'm trying to hit 50 subscribers by the end of summer. Right now we're at 23, 24, maybe even 25, I don't know. Go check down below if you want to, we'll subscribe. Anyway. Okay, hold the trigger like that, and then there. Is this gonna even work? Oh, ho, 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 ho. Let's go. That went really far. It went to the other side of my front yard just a bit. There's the small gun. There's the, yeah, that far. Okay, our next gun is this gun right here. the kids in my class are keep saying that there are, well, they keep suggesting video ideas for me. All of the boys are saying reacting to gaming moments only true gamers can understand, or like I show Speed Peppa Pig reaction. I think I will do those ones, but all the girls are suggesting feet pics. A compilation of pictures of my feet. That why I don't understand. That's why you stay away from girls. Sorry if you're a girl. Still have to like the video. Okay. So here we go. Okay? Okay. Let's get going. Look at that Jeep. That's so cool. Purple and orange, my first and fifth favorite color. Okay, so just barely more than the small gun. Yeah, that's good. Now last gun, this one. Looks like a sniper. It takes 2 bullets. The farthest one so far has taken 6 bullets. The second one takes 8 bullets. The mini one is that 1 bullet, and the crossbow is 3 bullets. This is 2. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's go. Making a video. Oh! It's not funny. Just stepped in dog poop. Okay, so this is how far the last bullet went. It's second to last place. I'm surprised last place was the crossbow. Last place crossbow. Fourth place sniper. Third place minigun. Second place teal gun with cyan, not teal, cyan. First place with just barely more than the cyan gun is 6-pack. I call it 6-pack because the gun holds 6 bullets. Let's shoot the actual bullets. It's time. That might have landed on the roof. Shoot all of these up in the air. There's bullets everywhere now. Great. Some of these aren't even shooting. Okay. Yeah. It's so satisfying. No, just watch how satisfying this is. That's where it landed. Yeah. Okay. What the heck? Did that even shoot off the trigger? Okay. Let's It's not working. Okay. Finally, think I got it. Yes. Okay. Let's do that again. I don't know why I'm just shooting them up here. Let's have a little fun shooting them forward. Got about 20 minutes of cleaning ahead of me. I'm gonna see if I can get one to land on you guys. Nope. Did it even work? No. Why would it? Oh, nope. Subscribe.